Welcome to InvestoSphere, the channel where your time becomes money and your screen becomes your side hustle. Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, relaxing with your favorite mobile game, and while you're scoring points, you're also stacking dollars. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of getting paid to play mobile games. No gimmicks, no scams, just real strategies, real apps, and real money. Whether you're a teenager looking for some extra income, a stay-at-home parent wanting a flexible gig, or even a retiree who enjoys mobile games, this video is going to change the way you look at your phone. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's explore how mobile gaming can actually put money in your pocket. Part 1. The rise of mobile gaming as a money-making platform. Mobile gaming is no longer just entertainment. It's a booming industry. Billions of dollars flow through this space every year. Developers and platforms are now rewarding players to retain engagement. From reward-based games to skill-based tournaments, there are multiple ways to earn. The shift from play to pastime to play to earn is real and happening fast. Part 2. Types of games that pay you. Reward-based games. You earn points or coins that can be converted into PayPal cash, gift cards, or crypto. These include puzzle games, casual games, and simulation games. Skill-based competition platforms like Skills host competitive tournaments where winners take home real money. Games range from solitaire to trivia and even bubble shooter. NFT and blockchain games. Play to earn P2E games offer crypto or NFTs as rewards. While these involve a learning curve, they can be lucrative. Beta testing games. Developers pay users to test their games before release. This involves playing and giving feedback. Easy and rewarding. In-game earnings with cash out. Some games now let users earn in-game currency and cash it out directly. Part 3. Legit platforms and apps that actually pay. Misplay, Android only. Earn points by playing new games. Redeem for Amazon, Visa, or Google Play gift cards. Swagbucks Live trivia game app, where correct answers earn points. Cash out via PayPal or gift cards. Inbox Dollars offers games along with surveys and tasks, instant rewards, and easy payout. Skills platform competitive games with real cash tournaments. Offers practice rounds too. Cash Giraffe casual games that reward time spent and progressed. Game hack complete in-game tasks. Earn soul gems and redeem for gaming rewards. Feature points earned by trying out games, apps, and even shopping. Playtest Cloud offers higher payouts for beta testing mobile games. Part 4. How to maximize your earnings playing games. Focus on high-paying apps first. Multitask. Engage properly in the game. Be consistent. Daily logins and bonuses add up. Combine gaming with referral programs. Use a separate email and PayPal just for these apps to stay organized. Join communities or Reddit groups to stay updated on high-paying games. Part 5. Common pitfalls and scams to avoid apps that ask for money upfront. Never give personal bank info unless the app is verified and trusted. Don't fall for get-rich-quick gaming schemes. Always read app reviews and ratings before downloading. Avoid apps that don't have transparent payout systems. Part 6. Success stories and real-life examples. A college student earning $200 a month just from misplay and skills. A stay-at-home mom making consistent gift card income from Inbox Dollars. Gamers who beta test full-time and make over $1,000 months. Some users stack multiple apps and treat it like a job, even making up to $500 weekly. Part 7. Building a routine around game earnings. Designate 1 to 2 hours per day. Choose 2 to 3 apps that suit your style and stick to them. Set weekly earning goals. Track your progress and payout cycles. Treat it like a micro business. Part 8. The future of play-to-earn gaming. Integration with crypto wallets and DeFi platforms. Gaming guilds forming to maximize group earnings. Mobile tournaments replacing traditional esports. Developers offering lifetime rewards for loyalty. Growing demand for testers and feedback players. Part 9. Tools and gear that can help. A reliable smartphone with good battery life, fast and secure internet connection. PayPal or Venmo account. Google Forms or Notes app to track earnings. Headphones for a better gaming experience. Screen recorder if you're testing games. Now that you've seen all the ways to get paid just by playing games on your phone, the question is, what are you waiting for? Mobile gaming isn't just about fun anymore. It's a low-entry gateway to real income, especially when used smartly and consistently. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like this video so we can bring you more high-value content just like this. Subscribe to InvestoSphere and hit that bell so you never miss a practical way to earn online. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share which of these apps are you excited to try first. Or do you already have a favorite game that's paying you? And here's something to really think about. If you could get paid for doing one thing you already love, wouldn't you want to know how far you can take it? Because mobile gaming might just be your first step into the world of earning while enjoying your free time. This is InvestoSphere, where your time becomes money. Thanks for watching.